When you look for the best car phone mount, everything seems the same. Same designs, same features, and the same claims. But here's the thing, the real differences are often hidden beneath the surface, and you need to know what actually works. Product number 1, ANDRY Car Phone Holder. First up is the ANDRY Car Phone Holder for MagSafe, priced at $34.33. What caught my eye was its unique carbon fiber design and its impressive magnetic strength. If you want a rock-solid hold for your phone, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this matters for you. This mount boasts a 360 degrees rotation and dual-axis adjustment, allowing you to position your phone at just the right angle, whether you're navigating or taking a call. Its suction cup can hold up to 78 pounds and withstand extreme temperatures, which means it won't drop your phone during sudden stops. Plus, it has an advanced adhesive that won't damage your dashboard. Over 10,000 of these have sold recently, proving it's popular among buyers. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the included instructions and clean the surface properly, it shouldn't be a problem. But if you're not confident with DIY setups, it might be a bit frustrating. This is perfect for you if you have a MagSafe phone and want the ultimate stability while driving. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler or have a non-MagSafe device. For the price, you really get a high-quality product. Now, if the installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kifetan Dash Mounted Holder. Next is the Kifetan Dash Mounted Holder, available for just $12.69. Its price caught my attention, but so did its promise of versatility. If you're looking for a durable and flexible option, this could be a game changer. Here's why this matters for you. The Kifetan features a double-locked suction cup that's heat-resistant, meaning it'll stay put even on hot summer days. You can install it on your dashboard or windshield, giving you options depending on your preference. Plus, it has a fully adjustable design so you can customize the angle and position of your phone while driving. This allows for a maximum viewing angle, so you can easily see directions without taking your eyes off the road. It's already made over 10,000 sales in the last month, which speaks volumes. Now, some users have noted that the suction cup can lose its stickiness over time. But honestly, a simple wash and air dry can bring it back to life. This isn't a deal breaker, especially for the price you're paying. This is perfect for you if you switch vehicles often or want something that adapts to your setup. Skip this one if you prefer a more permanent mount. For under $13, it's a solid deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a vent-mounted solution. Product number 3, Miracase Phone Holder. Coming in at $16.52, the Miracase Phone Holder is designed for air vents and promises stability with its metal hook design. The look of it caught my eye, and if you want something that won't budge, this is worth checking out. So why should you consider this one? The simplified locking design with a steel metal hook catches onto your air vent blades securely, even on bumpy roads. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphones, from iPhones to Androids, and it allows for one-hand operation, making it safer for you while driving. Plus, with a 360-degree rotation, you can adjust it for your perfect viewing angle. It's gained over 10,000 sales recently, showing it's a favorite among drivers. On the downside, some users mentioned it doesn't fit well with round vents. Here's the thing though, most vehicles use standard air vent shapes, so unless you have a unique setup, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable vent mount that's easy to use. Skip this one if you have round vents or prefer dashboard mounts. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle a bit more weight, the next option is worth considering. Product number 4, VANMASS Car Phone Holder. Next up is the VANMASS Car Phone Holder, priced at $33.05. This one is military-grade certified, which immediately grabbed my attention. If you want something that promises durability and flexibility, keep watching. Here's why this matters. The VANMASS mount features a larger suction cup, making it able to hold up to 85 pounds. It can be mounted on your dashboard, windshield, or even in the air vent, offering extreme versatility. Plus, Plus, it includes a one-click release feature which is super handy when you're in a rush. With its popularity, it has also sold over 10,000 units recently. Now, some users said the hook for the vent could be tricky to install. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not that complicated. And the versatility it offers makes it worth a little effort. This is perfect for you if you want a mount that adapts to your needs, whether it's in a car or on a truck. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with a slightly more complex installation. For the quality and durability, it's a great investment. Now, if you're after something more compact, let's check out the next option. Product number 5, LISEN for MagSafe. Lastly, we have the LISEN for MagSafe, priced at $21.56. This one caught my eye for its simplicity and strong magnetic grip. If you're looking for ease of use without sacrificing hold, this might be the one for you. Why should you consider this mount? With its reinforced vacuum suction and lever lock mechanism, it can hold your phone securely, even during sharp turns. It's specifically designed for iPhone 12-17 models with MagSafe, allowing for a quick snap-on feature. The mount also rotates 180 degrees, making it very easy to adjust to your preferred viewing angle. It's sold over 10,000 times in the last month, showing it's popular among iPhone users. A downside mentioned by some is that it may lose stickiness in high temperatures. But honestly, a little reattachment and it's good as new, so it's not a major concern. This is perfect for you if you have a MagSafe compatible phone and want a hassle-free experience. Skip this one if you're not using MagSafe or prefer a more traditional mount. For the price and convenience, it's a good buy. So there you have it, 5 solid options for car phone mounts. The ANDRY offers unbeatable magnetic strength, the Kifatan is budget-friendly and versatile, Miracase is perfect for vent use, VANMASS provides military-grade durability, and LISEN is all about that MagSafe convenience. Depending on your needs, one of these should fit the bill perfectly.